And my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Hey, kids, if you wash up, you can go play.
Wash up? But, Daddy, our hands aren't even that dirty.
There's always dirt you can't see, and it's very important to keep clean. Hey, why don't you sing the wishy-washy washing song? That way, washing your hands will be way more fun.
Here in the kitchen, everyone knows there's a wishy-washy washing song, and this is how it goes. You use water and soap, you rub your hands close, rinse and repeat until everyone knows. And that's how the wishy-washy washing song goes. They looked clean before, but now they're sparkling clean. Yeah, clean! All right. Now that we're done washing up, we can go play. Let's go! Hey, bandits! You're making everything dirty. Are you going to clean that up?
Clean it up? Why should we?
Yeah, why should we? We were just having fun.
When everything around us is dirty, it's really hard to stay clean yourself.
Staying clean is for goody two-shoes like you.
We're bad guys, so we don't have to clean up.
Oh, those bandits! Let's go get ourselves clean again, Morphle. Here in the bathroom, everyone knows there's a wishy-washy washing song, and this is how it goes. You use water and soap, you rub your hands close, rinse and repeat until everyone knows. And that's how the wishy-washy washing song goes.
Uh-oh.
Not in my city.
Look, it's Officer Freeze. Let's go, Morphle.
Stop it, bandits. I'm taking you to jail. To jail? We didn't do anything. We're innocent.
Yeah, you have no proof that we were the ones who made this mess.
But I do. Your dirty handprints are all over the city. Our fingerprints?
Oh, no.
But first, you'll have to clean up all this mess.
We can help with that. Yeah! We told you how important it is to stay clean.
No, that's so much water.
Here in the front yard, everyone knows there's a wishy-washy washing song, and this is how it goes. You use water and soap, you rub your hands close, rinse and repeat until everyone knows. And that's how the wishy-washy washing song goes.